Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. So in the last video you can see that we have successfully installed the WAMP server, and now we will find out the path where is our WAMP server files. So in the C folder you will see the WAMP 64, and here in these folders we have www, and this is the directory where we can actually create our website. So if you want to create any website, for example, you can create a folder here. I have created a folder with the name of Pakistani TV, okay, and in this folder we can place our WordPress files. Okay, so how we will access this folder? We will just simply type here localhost / Pakistan okay, and then we will access that folder. Here you can see that there is nothing here because we didn't have added the WordPress package over here. So we will just bring out the WordPress package which we have downloaded from online. So here is the package. Let's copy this package, move back to the Pakistan TV folder under www under WAMP 64, and let's place it here, paste it here, and now this is a zip folder, so we'll just extract it. So 7-zip, extract here, and all the files will be extracted here, but that extraction is actually done under a folder which we don't want, and we will just open this folder. We will cut these files and we will place these files here. Okay, now we don't need this folder, and we don't need this folder as well. We only need these files. And now if we enter, you can see the WordPress installer. Okay, so we will select the language. English is fine. Click on continue, and then he will ask database name, database username, password, and host. We didn't have created the databases. Okay, so let's move towards the database section first. So here we will type localhost, and after that we will just type phpMyAdmin. Okay, so let's click on php. Sorry, why it's not working? Localhost. Okay, we can just click on localhost, and let's click on this phpMyAdmin. Okay, no issue. Actually it should be on the same link. You can see that /phpMyAdmin. For some reason it was not opening before. And now here this is the dashboard for the databases. So here we will enter the username and password. So by default there is no password, and the username will be root. Okay, so these are the default details for the username, and the password will be nothing. Okay, and then we can select the MySQL and then click on login into phpMyAdmin, where we can create our database. Okay, so let's create a new database here. I will not go to the too much detail for this section because we are not focusing on the databases or any other things. Currently we are focusing on the WordPress website. So let's click on new, and we will create a new database. So let's add a name for the database. So let's choose Pakistan TV maybe. Okay, and then we will just select the default and we will create it. Okay, that's it. Our database is created. Here you can see the Pakistan TV database is created. If you click on this database, you can see nothing is here in the database. Okay, so now we will move back. Let's move back to our installer, and let's go to next step. Database name will be here. Pakistan TV was the database name, and the username was root, and the password, we don't have any password. If you want to add some new username and new password for security purpose, you can create users here. Okay, so here you can come, and then you can go to privileges, and then here you can create the new user as well. Okay, and then you can assign a certain password to that user, and then that user you can add to the database, and then you can use that. But by default we are using a root username, and password will be nothing, and database host will be localhost, and this is table prefix. By default it is good, and then we can click on submit, and then we will click on run the installation, and here we will just name our site. So our site is Pakistan TV, and then the username for the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so here I'm just going using the name admin. Okay, and the password, I will use the password maybe any password you can use, weak or strong, it's up to you. I will use 1 2 3 4 5 6 for now. Later on definitely I will change it and confirm use of weak password. Okay, and indeed I will change this password, and then you can add your email if you want to add the email. Okay, so I will add the email Pasman. I think I have an email pasmantv@gmail.com, and then we can click on install WordPress. Okay, I will just change the password and resume the video, and we will click on install WordPress and update the password, login, and that's it. We are now here to log in into our WordPress dashboard for the first time. So let's click remember me and log in. So that's great. Welcome to the WordPress. This is the dashboard for maintaining our website, and if we go here and if we click on visit site, this is our front website. Beautiful. You can see our first website here. Okay, very simple. Mind blown, a blog about philosophy, etc. Hello World post is here. Okay, so this is our blog, this is our website which we have created, successfully installed the WordPress successfully, and from the next video we will properly install the themes, install the other things. Indeed we will just in next video we will overview the WordPress, and then from next video we will start creating our main website with the idea and motivation from the hamariweb.com. At any time, if for example you are logged out, okay, and just go away, and if you want to now open the dashboard, how you will do that? You will just go to the localhost, because our website is on localhost, then Pasman TV, and then you will type here WP, and then you will place a dash here, so, and then we will place admin. Okay, so this is a code for logging in admin panel. Okay, now you can see we are here, and then again I will just remember it. Password is correct, admin was our username, password, login. Now we are again log into our WordPress dashboard. That's great. Meet you in next video. Goodbye.